Have you ever looked at someone and thought, how the heck is that guy making more money than me? Like, he spells business with a Z, and he's driving a Lambo. Meanwhile, you're over here with 2 degrees and a lifetime supply of anxiety, wondering if you can afford extra guac. Well, grab your coffee, because today we're diving into why dumb people often end up richer than the rest of us, and what you can actually do about it. And no, this isn't about IQ. It's about mindset, risk, and doing the thing, even if you look a little silly doing it. Let's go. Part 1. The power of not knowing that you don't know. There's this thing called the Dunning-Kruger effect. Fancy words for people who don't know what they don't know, but they act like they do. Ever met someone confidently explaining how Wi-Fi works as just magic radio waves, while you're still Googling how to convert a PDF into a Word doc? Yeah, that's it. Here's the wild part. People who think they're good at stuff, even when they're not, start faster. They don't second guess. They don't overanalyze. They just jump in, mess up, and keep going. Meanwhile, you and I, we're stuck in, what if? What if it fails? What if people laugh? What if I don't have the perfect logo, business plan, LLC, lawyer, team, motivational playlist, and favorite pen? You know what the dumb person does? They just post the video, sell the product, start the business. It's messy, but guess what? Messy action beats perfect hesitation every time. Part 2. The fear of looking stupid keeps smart people broke. Let's be real. If you grew up being called smart, there's a curse that comes with that. You're terrified of looking not smart. You're more scared of failure than failure itself. It's why you won't start that YouTube channel, or write that ebook, or pitch your idea. Because if you fail, what will people think? Oh wow, I guess he wasn't that smart after all. Meanwhile, the dumb person, they've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. Nobody expected much, so every step forward feels like a win. It's like playing a video game on easy mode, where failing just means, oops, try again. That freedom, it's priceless and profitable. Part 3. Dumb people aren't afraid of risk. Smart people are. Now let's talk about risk. Smart people, we love calculating it, measuring it, then overthinking it. We've got 46 tabs open, comparing 2 software platforms for a business we haven't even started yet. But dumb people, they see a TikTok trend, buy a ring light, and suddenly they've got 1 million followers and a Shopify store selling t-shirts that say, I woke up like this. Did they plan it all out? Nope. Did they know it would work? Not even a little, but they tried. Here's the trick. Riches reward the ones who take action, not the ones who think about taking action. Smart people want guarantees. Dumb people, they're cool with trying and failing until something sticks. And because of that, something does stick, eventually. Part 4. B+ work makes A+ results. Perfection is the smart person's prison. You want everything to be flawless before you start. But you know what the top performers actually do? They aim for B+ work. Good enough to go out. Not perfect, but done. Let's say you're climbing a mountain. The smart climber is still at the bottom, checking the forecast, adjusting their boots, and reading about altitude sickness. Meanwhile, the dumb climber is already halfway up. He might fall once or twice, sure, but he learns. He adjusts, he gets stronger. By the time the smart guy makes the first move, the other one is at the top waving from the summit with a selfie stick. Part 5. Doing something, knowing everything. The truth is, you can't think your way to success. You can only act your way there. You learn faster in the game, not watching the game. Want to launch a podcast? Record the first episode, even if it sucks. Want to sell a product? List it, even if no one buys it at first. Want to freelance? DM a stranger on LinkedIn and offer your service. Yes, even if your portfolio is just your dog's birthday flyer, you'll figure it out. Dumb people trust themselves to figure it out along the way. Smart people want the full instruction manual first. There is no manual, only trial, error, and then more money than you thought possible. So why do dumb people make more money than you? 1. They don't overthink. 2. They take risks. 3. They don't fear failure. 4. They get started while you're still planning. The good news? You don't need to be dumb to win. You just need to stop thinking so hard and start doing more. So, hit that comment section below and tell me what's on your mind, and see you next time.